Another common perfect competition problem that you'll frequently encounter is where you'll be given information on market demand and market supply conditions. The market demand curve in this example is given by this equation: Q equals 100 minus 10p, where the Q in this case is quantity demanded, and the market supply curve is given by this equation: QS, quantity supplied, equals 50p minus 200. The p's represent the price, of course. And to go along with this problem, you'll be given information usually on the firm's marginal cost. In this case, the firm's marginal cost, MC, is 4 plus 2Q. The question that is asked then is how much output would this individual firm produce given these market conditions? The key to recognizing this type of problem is a firm will always produce in perfect competition where price equals marginal cost. Well, we know what marginal cost is. It's 4 plus 2Q. What we don't have is the market price. Competitive firms are price takers. They take the equilibrium price as a given. So that's the key. We need to find the equilibrium price, and we're going to find it from this demand and the supply curve. So let's do that. To find the equilibrium price, we're going to set quantity demanded equal to quantity supplied. Quantity demanded from the last page is 100 minus 10p equals quantity supplied of 50p minus 200. Collecting the p terms, I'm going to get 60p equals 300, or p equals $5. That is the equilibrium price. And I guess while we're at it, let's get the equilibrium quantity, the total quantity brought forth to the market, and that will be $50 units. So all I did here was I plugged $5 back into the demand equation and evaluated it and got 50 units. And if you wanted to, you could plug this $5 back into the supply equation and you'd still get the same thing. 50 times 5 is 250 minus 200. Sure, so the equilibrium quantity is 50 units. Sellers bring forth 50 units to the market, and that's the exact amount that consumers are willing and able to buy at a price of $5. So let's go back to the firm. As we said, the firm wants to produce where price equals marginal cost. That condition is consistent with maximizing profit. The price is $5, that's the going market price in this market, and the firm's marginal cost from the last page was 4 plus 2Q. Solving, get 2Q equals 1, or Q equals 1/2. So this competitive firm will produce 1/2 units of output. And if these units are, say, in the thousands, then this firm would produce 1/2 of 1,000 or 500 units. So don't get upset here, confused by producing a fraction of a unit. Like I said, we could be measuring these units in the thousands or in truckloads of strawberries. So this firm produces 1/2 a truckload of strawberries or something like that. But anyways, that's how you would solve this type of problem. Hope you found this helpful.